Welcome to the Learning Library of Arc Suppression Technologies, maker of NOsparc arc suppressors for AC and DC power switching applications. Today we're going to take you through the simple installation of a NOsparc arc suppressor on a 3-pole power contactor. In this case, the contactor is switching power to a scroll compressor located in a rooftop air conditioning unit of a large mass merchandiser. Before we begin, here's some information about NOsparc arc suppressors that you may find useful. NOsparc arc suppressors protect motors from single phasing by extending the operating life of power contactors by at least 10 times. Patented and UL certified, NOsparc products accomplish this by eliminating 99.9% of contact arc energy. Once the NOsparc arc suppressors are installed, the extended lifetime and increased efficiency of your contactors will in turn greatly reduce your costs associated with replacement motors, replacement contactors, scheduled maintenance, and unscheduled downtime. Before you begin any NOsparc installation, disconnect all power to circuits and panels where this product is about to be installed, and maintain power disconnection throughout the installation process. Assembly and installation must conform to the National Electric Code safety standards as well as to locally applicable codes. Only authorized and qualified personnel should install and service the NOsparc arc suppressors. Failure to comply with these recommendations might result in damage to equipment and injury to personnel. Please read and thoroughly understand the applicable NOsparc user manual and its associated safety warnings before beginning any NOsparc installation. NOsparc installation should be conducted only by a trained professional following all safety procedures described in the user manual. Walking you through the installation will be Craig Dort, a trained HVAC and refrigeration technician with Johnstone Supply in Springfield, Missouri.
Hi, I'm Craig Dort with Johnstone Supply, Store 19 out of Springfield, Missouri. We're here today in a major food retailer, and we're going to be going through the process of installing Arc Suppression Technologies' NOsparc product. We're going to be using it on the compressor motors outside to protect them, and we're going to go through the installation procedures and what it takes to install it. So come with me and we'll get started. As with any service installation, you want to follow all your safety procedures accordingly. So first thing we're going to do is shut off power to the unit. Okay, now of course we're going to verify that the power is truly off and safe. So we're testing to make sure that the voltage is truly off in this unit on all 3 legs. First thing we're going to do is determine which product we're going to be using based off of the compressor's lock rotor amperage. We look at the lock rotor amperage, we see that it's 47 amps, and that's going to determine that we're going to be using the MHX-AC NOsparc arc suppressor product. Product location is important on this. You'll see in the user's manual that the gauge of wire dictates the length of wire, and we're going to be using 14 gauge wire today, so this is within the 2-foot spec. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get a piece of DIN rail and we're going to mount it into this unit. And we just hook it onto the top and then latch the bottom. It snaps into place. Should be in good shape right there.
Select the proper wire gauge and length as specified in the user manual. Cut 6 wires of equal gauge and length. Be sure to use appropriate fully insulated quick connects. Properly crimp each end of the 6 wires.
So now that we have all 6 wires connected with good tight electrical connections, we're going to wire these one at a time so that we don't get them confused and make sure that we stay at 1 pole per NOsparc. So now that we have it connected to the arc suppressor, we're going to be tying it into the contactor on 1 pole and not mixing the poles. So let's do that. So now you can see that we've got the arc suppressor installed across one leg or one pole of the contactor, and it's not mixed matched between the different poles of the contactor.
Connect the remaining pairs of wires in the same manner, wiring them in parallel across each leg or pole of the contactor. Tighten all load and terminal screw contactor connections.
So now that we've got it installed, we want to make sure to check all of our connections. Make sure they're nice and tight. And there you go. There's a properly installed NOsparc arc suppressor. You can see how easy it is to install it. It only takes a few minutes, and it's simple to wire up to the contactor and add to any system. Tighten up all the wires as best we can so we don't have any problems with vibration or anything coming loose after the install. If it's important to you to protect these compressors or these contactors or not have any downtime, then Arc Suppression Technologies NOsparc products can be a game changer for you.
Turn on the power to the panel. Thank you for viewing this NOsparc installation video. For more information about NOsparc arc suppressors and their uses in HVAC and refrigeration, please visit arcsuppressiontechnologies.com. Should you have any technical questions about product selection or installation, please give us a call at 612-928-5269 or email us at info@arcsuppressiontechnologies.com.